Hello my friends and welcome to HairTrickTv, helping you to solve your hair problems so that you can achieve all your hair goals. I am Pallavi and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a zipper braid. So let's get started with today's video. So this is the only braid which I have found super confusing to do back in the days, and I have avoided to try this braid out for the longest time. But this braid looks super beautiful and unique, so this time I thought that I will have to do it. So if you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, then you would probably know that last week I finally tried it out and I loved it, and I found out that it's super easy to do. Once you get the hang of it, you can do it easily, and as I said already, it looks super beautiful. So yeah, let's get started with the video.
So first I'm taking a small section from the front and dividing it into 3 equal sections. Then I'm taking my right section and crossing it under the middle section. Then I'm taking my left section and crossing it under the middle. Now I will take my right section, I will cross it under the middle section and also under the left section, and take it all the way on the left side, and I will take it into the front. You can also hold it with your mouth if you want to, and we will basically work with these 2 sections now. So now I will take a new section from the same side and cross it over the first section and then under the second section and take it in the front like this. Now the final braid starts. So I will take a section from the same side, cross it over the first section and then under the second section, take it in the front, then take the previous section over it and join it with the section of that side. This was the step number 1. Now step number 2, take a new section from the same side, cross it over the first section and then under the second section, take it in the front, take the previous section over it and join it with the section of that side. And now I will just continue to repeat the same steps. So taking the sections from the same side, first crossing it over and then under, take it in the front, take the previous section and join it with the section of that side. Now take a new section, first cross it over, then under, then take it to the front, take the previous section over it and join it with the section of that side. So now you can see from the back what I am doing. So taking a new section, first I am crossing it over, then under, taking it in the front, taking the previous section and joining it with the section of that side. Now taking a new section from the same side, crossing it over, then under, taking it in the front, taking the previous section and joining with the section of that side. And now I will just continue to do the same steps. So now we have reached towards the end of the braid. And this is our last section. So I'm going to take my last section, cross it over, then under, and then I will join this section with it, and now we have 3 sections. So I will do a couple of stitches of a normal 3-strand braid and then secure it with an hair elastic. If you want to, you can continue to do a normal 3-strand braid.
So yeah, that's it. If you like this video and this beautiful braid, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you do this braid, then upload it on Instagram, and don't forget to tag me there, and also follow me on Instagram because there's a lot more going on there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I upload new videos every Saturday 5 p.m. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to love your hair. Bye.